What's happening, Robert?
You better save my daddy.
Why?
You better save daddy.
Why? Why do I need to save Daddy?
Find the bunk bed.
He's under the bunk beds? Is he stuck?
Yes.
Sam, will you help? Will you at least attempt to lift his bed up?
I can't. It's too heavy.
Never mind.
Can he help?
I don't know.
Yeah, that was useful as a windscreen wiper on a battleship.
I used that.
A submarine.
I used that, daddy. And
Oh,
your glasses. I got your glasses. I got your glasses. I got your glasses. Woo, nice picture.